Gilson Portable Mixer. This 3.5 cubic foot mixer is built with Gilson Mixer's reputation for American-made quality and toughness. The tough polyurethane drum turns at 30 revolutions per minute, powered by a 1/3 horsepower, single-phase, 115-volt electric motor that easily mixes 3.5 cubic feet of cement, mortar mix, or 2 bags of pre-mixed concrete. The ring gear is completely enclosed to reduce potential liability. The Gilson Portable Cement Mixer is lightweight and can ship UPS in 3 boxes. It features quiet operation, fast mixing, and the polyurethane drums won't crack or rust and are easy to clean or replace. Built stronger than competitive brands, this portable mixer easily rolls around the job site and can clear a 30-inch wide door to access the work area.